Hey, everyone. I don't know what happened. Computer just shut down, maybe because I had so many tabs open trying to show you guys everything. But I'm going to check to see if you guys can hear me okay. This is going to be part 2 of how to create a digital masterclass. This I shouldn't be on much longer, but I did say that I want to show you guys what everything looks like inside and how to, capture your screen and all that kind of stuff. So let me check to make sure that you guys can see me okay and that you can hear me, okay? Mika says, yeah, I'm getting all these freaking phone calls coming in on my phone. Can you hear me okay? I'm still froze? I am. Hold on. Miss Phasing. Yes, Robin, I'm back. But hold on, look like I'm froze. Am I froze? Hey, you guys seeing me okay? I'm back. And you can hear me? You can see me nothing? I mean, like, on my end, it's just like spinning. No, you see and hear you clear. Oh, I'm flowing good. Okay, well, maybe I just can't see it on my phone. All right, so before anything crazy else happens, what I'm going to do is share my screen, and so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to share my entire screen. Now, I'm not going to be able to see. You guys see what I see? And because I cannot see what you guys are saying, let me go to my other page and see. Uh-oh. Did y'all notice that your Facebook business page changed a little bit when you're looking at it from your phone? Okay. Look like. Oh, y'all still can't see my. Okay. Now I see what I'm doing. Hold on. I thought I shared my screen. Hit share. Oh, y'all still can't see my. Okay. Now I see what I'm talking about. Okay, now I see. All right. So if y'all leave any comments, I'll have to come back and look at that, okay? Because I won't be able to see it. All right. So here is my store inside of sales, right? So I was able to create my own store using sales. That's why I sort of talk about sales a lot, because it just makes your store, it just makes your success store, whatever your store, look so professional. And again, remember, I've tried a lot of them, but all of these will be, let me see, these will be my master classes. What I exactly showed you guys, I just record the video and then I just upload them. So right here is one of my courses called the Fully Booked. And I tell them what they get. I show them, I give them the graphic of what it's going to look like. And they get an option of ordering more than one, but most time people just order as one. And then once they hit the buy button, it takes them to this page. If I give them a discount code, they can put their discount code in. So that's what I really like about sales, is because you can run a promotion for a certain amount of time. So maybe say for maybe only 4 days, you can put the date that it starts and the date that it ends, and that anytime they use that code, if they use it after that date, then it's done. Like, they can't use it anymore. So that's what I like about sales. They just really have set things up to make you look and run your business very efficient and very professional. And then you get these tabs. If you're interested in my done for you content, maybe you don't want to join the Lady Boss Club and you just want the packages, then you get the option to buy those as well. Okay. So that's what you can have if you upgrade to sales. Now, if you just want to upload your document, so this is inside of sales, and maybe you just want to upload one of your documents. So this is one of the products that I created, I think 2 weeks ago, which was the self-study guide. So I'm gonna go in here and edit so you guys can see it a little more. And you can tell, like, this is my free account. It'll tell you if I want a shopping cart, if I want people to be able to add to the cart and buy multiple things, then I need to upgrade. But this is the free version. So I will write it in all my captions. I put in my price point, and then here's where I will actually upload my video. If I had a video, I do have a video somewhere. I know I do. But we're not going to do that because it's probably going to take a little while. Sometimes videos just take a little bit. So say if I want to upload that video, that was one of my courses, I would just upload it. It's an MP3. It gives you the option to stamp it when people buy it. And so if you want to look about, check out the more information about that. What does a stamp mean when someone buys it? But and here's the other thing I want to show you. Remember I taught that you can just do a download only. Like the person can only just download it. They can rent it or stream it only, meaning that they get a certain time frame to rent it and watch it. So that's a cool idea. I haven't thought about that. And then they can download and rent / the stream as well. I have not tried the rent only tab yet, but that sounds very exciting. I didn't know they had that on there yet. So if you just don't want people to be able to download it and try to bootleg it, which again, I'm just gonna tell y'all, if people gonna bootleg something, they're gonna bootleg it regardless. If you can do all you wanted to try to save it from not being bootleg, but people gonna bootleg it anyway. So don't even worry your little pretty little head about that. Just do what you do and do it at your best ability, and never mind them other people who trying to get over. Okay. So again, at least sales puts that in place for you so that you don't have to worry about that, or at least gives you some options if you're worried about that. But once it downloads, it gives you how many, how big the file can be. All of the information is up there. You can upload up to 50 files. Oh my gosh, 50 files. So, I mean, again, I gave you other options earlier today about which platforms you could use, PayHip, Sales. But Sales is going to be always the one that I'm going to always go to. Okay. So that's Sales. The other thing that I wanted to show you before my computer just froze and act all crazy was how do you do a screen capture of your screen? So this is inside of Screencast-O-Matic. I wanted to show you guys how you can earn rewards. So if you can send a link to someone to actually sign up, and you see you earn 40% off if you get for each one of these, right? So if you get up to 5 people to join, you get 100% off. So that's a good plan. So inside of the Screencast-O-Matic, I have the upgraded version. So it also allows me to host my own videos on Screencast-O-Matic, but you don't need that. Let's look at the plans. You see that I said I had a 3-year plan. I don't know if it gives me the option to look at all the other plans. Hold on. Let me see if I modify. Can you see? So if you do the 12 months, it's $1.50 a month, right? So if you do it for years, it's only $1.50 a month. If you do it for 3 years, like I did, it turns out to be $1 a month. And if you do Solo Premier, if you just want to pay monthly and not on a yearly basis, then it's $4 a month. So that's it. So let me just show you how to do this, okay? And I hope it works like it's supposed to, because I don't know. Sometimes stuff just don't want to act all crazy. So what you do is click on the blue button that says Start Recorder. And then it's going to launch the recorder. And so now the recorder is launched. It should pop up in a second. You know what got, oh yeah, it's popping up. All right, so as you can see, I'm gonna make my screen smaller so you can see it. So as you can see, this little dash, anything inside of this dash area is what's being recorded. So I don't know if I have a PowerPoint slide that you guys can see. Let's hold on a second. I'm gonna open this up and see if you guys can see this. Let me see one that I've already opened. Oh, let me open up this one. Okay. So this is one of the slides out of the Lady Boss Club. And so I can literally just record. You see that right now, anything that's inside of the dash is what's getting recorded. And when I'm ready to record, like I can do both my webcam and capture my screen. So let's see if you guys can be able to see that. Oh, all right. And so you see like this faint view, like, you know, faded out view of your webcam. Now, let me just tell y'all this. This is sitting like right on top of your slides. If you wanted to, you can, after it's recorded, you can move this camera. You can actually move your video camera to another spot on your slides. So although it might be on top of your slides right now, you can move it once you have saved the recording. And I'm going to keep it, and I'm going to see to make sure that if you guys can be able to see it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit record, and it's going to give you a countdown. And right now it's recording. It's recording everything. It's recording my video camera. It's recording my slides. So if I click to my next slide, it's to the next slide. It will take me to the next slide. All right. So once you are done, you hit stop. I hope you guys can see this at the bottom. You hit stop, and then you hit done. And then this box is going to pop up, right? And it's going, if it's a long video, it's going to take a little while for it to process, like you normally would do. You can put the title up here, but you can also edit it. Okay. So I'm going to edit. And you see, here's my webcam. That's the webcam that I had on that was sort of faded in the background. That was faded in the background. I now can click on it, and I can move it where I want to. So maybe I just want it right there. And I want to make sure it plays for the whole, throughout the whole video, okay? If I want to add music, you can do that. If you need to change the size, if you want to add captions, maybe you want to point out something, or you have captions that you want to upload, you can do that as well. I've never tried all that other stuff, but let's hit done. And to make sure it is doing what you want it to do before you save it or, you know, upload it to wherever you want to upload it, I will go ahead and hit play. And as you see, the video is up here at the corner, and it's doing what it's supposed to be doing, right? So that's why you have to be mindful of where you put your video. I should have probably, now that I see that my video is on top of some of my text, I can go back. I can go back to edit, and I will put my video probably down here at the bottom, and then hit done. Now let me hit play. And so no matter where my text is on my slide, my video shouldn't overlap on the text part, right? So you can move the video around, okay? Then once you've done that, you can choose if you want to save this file and upload the file to a folder on your computer, or you can upload it to Screencast-O-Matic. You want to get this option if you have paid for the year, the paid version, or if you want to upload to YouTube directly. Typically, I like to upload my own stuff because sometimes it might not, upload like it's supposed to. And then another box will pop up. I don't want to save this, so I'm not going to show all that. But another box will pop up to say that it's saved, and it can be saving in the background, and you can still do work at the same time. Okay. So I think that that's everything, right? Do you guys have any questions for me? I'm gonna close out of this, and I am going to close out of this, and I am going to go back to StreamYard so you guys can see me. All right, so let me see if I can see any of y'all's questions. Yes, my store is inside of Selz, SELZ. Robin, were you able ever to hear me? I hope so. Okay, Cheryl gets it. Awesome. Awesome. Yep, you can repurpose your first webinar. You sure can. All right, guys. So that's what I wanted to show you before the cameras just froze. I don't know what happened. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what happened at all. But I hope that demo was really helpful for you, at least. Okay. So Ms. Faison says, I would have to revisit the show and take my time in mastering this process. Yes. And again, don't forget, Ms. Faison, all of these videos will be uploaded into the club members bonus area. So this whole series will be a bonus for all club members. So you don't have to worry about if you miss anything. It will be inside the club member area. And so, okay, guys, so I want to say thank you so much for hopping back on with me. Next week, we will be talking about how to put together your group coaching program. So that will be the last training of the month. And I hope I know that you guys are going to love that as well. All right. So you guys have an awesome and blessed day, and I'll be talking to you later. Peace out.